Statoil, the biggest oil company in Norway. Been in Norway many times, it's highly regarded there, but it's become a real innovator in post-oil technologies. And Statoil is now storing 1 million tonnes of stripped carbon per year and recycling it. The carbon extraction is sucking carbon out of the atmosphere and recycling it in useful forms for power generation. We need also, in a different way, to see energy farms. In Bavaria, where I was a couple of weeks ago in Munich, just outside the city, there are now scores of these dairy farms that are doubling as solar farms. They're still dairy farms, but they're doubling as solar farms. And some of those solar farms, relatively small mum and dad operations, are feeding up to 50 houses with power. Some villages in the area now are selling power back to the grid because they're just generating too much. They don't need it all.